Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful automation trick. Getting alerts in Telegram every time someone fills out a Google form. This is perfect for things like attendance, sign-ups, or even just collecting feedback. Let's get started. First, we need to create our Google form. Open up Google Chrome and head to the Google Apps icon. You know, the one with all the little squares. Scroll down until you see the Google Forms icon and click on it. Now create a brand new form. You can call it whatever you like, but for this tutorial, I'm going to name mine Attendance Alert. Next, let's add a few questions. I'll add a name field with a short answer. Then let's add a gender question using checkboxes with options for male and female. Finally, I'll add an age field, also with a short answer. That's it for the form. Now let's go set up our Telegram bot. Now let's switch over to Telegram to get our bot ready. Open Telegram and search for a user called @botfather. Make sure you're clicking on the one with the blue verified checkmark. Start a chat and type /newbot. Botfather will ask for a name. I'll call mine Google Form Alert. Next, it will ask for a username. This part is important. The username must end with bot. I'll use Google Form Alert bot. Remember this username because we'll need it later. Botfather will then give you a token ID. This is basically the password for your bot, so do not share it with anyone. Copy it and save it somewhere safe for now. Next, we need a place for our alerts to go. Create a new group in Telegram. I'll name my group Attendance Alert to match my form. Now add the bot we just created to this group. Just search for the username you made, Google Form Alert bot. We also need one more bot to help us get a special ID. Search for and add a bot called @GetIDBot. This is a critical step. We need to give both of these bots administrative access in the group. Promote both bots to admin and give them full permissions. And then you can type /mide, so bot will send automatic your chat ID into this group with titles. Finally, with GetIdBot in the group, send a message to the group, and the bot will respond with a chat ID. Copy this down. We'll need it in the next section. All right, with our bot token and chat ID ready, we can head back to Google to set up the code. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, then select App Script. This will open a new tab. Inside the App Script editor, you'll see some text. Go ahead and delete everything inside it. Now you'll need the code for this project. I've put a link to the code in the description below, so just copy and paste it into the editor. There are 2 lines you need to change. Find the line for bot token and replace the placeholder text with your actual bot token that you copied from Botfather. Do the same for the chat ID, replacing the placeholder with the chat ID you got from the @GetIDBot. Once those are in place, hit the Save button. Now we need to tell the script when to run. This is called setting up a trigger. On the left side of the app script editor, click the triggers icon, which looks like an alarm clock. Click the Add Trigger button in the bottom right. A configuration panel will pop up. For the function to run, select Send Form to Telegram. Leave the deployment to run as head. Under Select Event Source, choose From Form. For the select event type, choose On Form Submit. Click Save. The first time you do this, Google will ask for permission to run the script. This is a normal security step, so just follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. You're all set. Now let's test it out. Let's see if our automation works. Go back to your Google form and click the Publish button. Click Publish again and copy the form link. Paste the link into a new browser tab. Now fill out the form with some sample data and click Submit. In just a moment, you should see a new alert pop up in your Telegram group with all the information you just entered. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your Google form to send alerts to Telegram. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.